Got his own language to talk to you.
Yeah.
Who's that? Look at her staring at him.
You want to talk to him? What you could do?
Oh,
She
she
made a
made
living. She made a living.
What's the
Yes,
matter?
honey.
Oh my
What happened?
God. Talk to her. Do it again. Look.
She loves it.
Yeah, she goes crazy.
She's like,
for
I
it.
haven't heard that before.
Emily says that Tony's kids.
Something wrong with that guy over there. He don't talk right.
Oh, she's talking to me.
Oh, that
Oh, that feels so
tasty.
good.
She gets all
I'm
excited.
so excited. That's it.